Bad mind left we out in the cold for we catch frostbite. Things that we da get dark, I go shine him light.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. So wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys as usual for subscribing, liking, commenting on my videos. I truly appreciate it as usual. So people, a few weeks ago, it was dub plate. Different parties are come out with different dub plate from different artists.
Walk out, everybody in a trouble and face have been up, them a struggle, them a cuddle, least and make everybody know.
Now we own a lane, now we own a game, so no boy can't stall we. Hear me no Barbara.
And you even think na sweat job feeling on the stand. Some MP a peasant bone a muscle with the tendon. So we champion tight like we squeeze them extra.
Yo, bunting out and stunting. Kyle them thick like dumpling. Comrade gal them jumping.
And the closer we get to election, you don't know, say we want to hear more about what the government is gonna do for Jamaica. You see me, want to hear from each individual party, the JLP and the PMP. We want to know what them are going to do for Jamaica and Jamaican people. So this morning, people, the JLP released their manifesto and what they're going to do for Jamaica if they are elected come September 3rd. So them name their manifesto Stronger Future. That them name it, people. So the ruling Jamaica Labour Party has released its manifesto online entitled Stronger Future. So out the gate, them say they want a stronger future for Jamaica. And we want that too, you know, people. We definitely want a stronger future for Jamaica. Crime-free Jamaica. There's a lot of things that we want for Jamaica, people. So by them saying stronger future, you don't know, so that's a positive outlook on it. It's a 102-page document, people. So the 102-page document focuses on the party's 10-point plan for recovery from the COVID-19 crisis. So them have them eyes set on how them are going to deal with the aftermath of COVID. We don't know when COVID are going to end, if it are going to end. We might wear masks forever, who knows. In China, them did way ahead of the game. A long time, them wear masks, so them did know what go on. One of the key areas of focus for the JLP, if it wins the September 3rd election, will be building a stronger economy. Under that area, attention will be focused on finance and the economy, social welfare, job creation, and labor management and tourism. The JLP said it will establish business incubators utilizing factory and office spaces and will reserve space for youth entrepreneurs starting or developing in high value added sectors, people. So them are look out, them say them are gonna look out for entrepreneurs and a whole heap of entrepreneurs out there in Jamaica. You know, Jamaica have a lot of talented people out there, you know. I true them now have the right resources or get the right resources so they can blossom. You see me, I say all they need is look at water for throw upon them, you know, so them can just spring up and blossom, you know, and just open up and go out into the world, you know, people. The other areas of attention for the island's recovery will be governance, security, and justice for all. So them say security and justice for all. We want a peaceful Jamaica. Equal access to healthcare and wellness for all. And that healthcare issue, we definitely need to look into that, because I see that as a big problem in Jamaica. The healthcare system, I don't know how to put it into words, but me know people who live at Jamaica, and if it's not a dire emergency, they will left Jamaica and come to America, come get the work done, come get whatever they need done. So you see me as a people, you can't have that. You see me? We have to keep the funds in Jamaica, and we have to make sure everybody is on top of them game, and when it comes to medical practice and helping the Jamaican people. You see me say, people? Energy and blue and green economies, building a digital Jamaica, building brand Jamaica for development, equality education, equality, me like that, because you see them now are Rasta pitney where them dreads go to school. You see me? That's where equality come in. Building a stronger Jamaica society, local government and community development and infrastructure. So them have a lot of things laid out, people. And it's just that me really want to see if them actually win. So if them actually win, me want all this talk, more want them put in the work for back up everything where them a say. So people, more them back up everything where them a say. Cause government people, officials before election, them always come with this bag of talk for fool poor people like we not sense. A years them things are going and more and more people are sit through it. You see me? You can't come with a bag of talk and then after election y'all are nowhere to be found and have poor people out there struggle. You see me, people? So me like the manifesto where them put out. You know, don't know, as me say, you can go read it up on the JLP website, people, and leave in the comment section what you think about this. More hear what y'all think about it. And the PMP one, I'm gonna tell y'all about it tomorrow in another video, cause them put out a manifesto as well. So we wanna hear the two side to see what them have to say and compare them. But people, we just know say when September 3rd come, to do the right thing and vote for who you know believe is truly capable of representing Jamaica, of truly capable of making sure that Jamaicans are okay and Jamaica, the country, is. We have to make sure that we have a better Jamaica. You see me, people, 2021 and beyond. Make sure Jamaica is the place that people talk about. Them already talk about it. Good and bad, them talk about it. But moving forward, I just straight good more hear people talk about Jamaica. Help poor people. You see me, I say people, me there for the poor people. You see me? Me know what it is to be poor. Me know the struggles of being poor. Me know me there yard and a whole heap of time me go sleep and I hear me eat. Me never go in a bed and with ear in your belly. Nothing not there for eat. You have to drink water. Water you have to drink. And imagine a piece of biscuit. And go your bed go wrap up until morning come. And hope for better days. But more the government them for really step up and help Jamaicans overall, people. Me not gonna lie, me I love to see them do that. You see me I say? Cause once Jamaicans is in better position, Jamaica the country and a whole will be definitely be better. I mean I ask you no question about that. We just have to do the right thing. You see me, people, come September 3rd. As I said, I go read up the PMP Manifesto and I go shut our next video upon that one, the people. So big up in yourself, I appreciate it. Appreciate y'all for watching my video. Big up in yourself, one love. I'm out.